everybody, my name is Paula and I'm your SNHS Science Coordinator, and for today's experiment we are doing cocoa powder, like cocoa powder in water and milk. I don't really know what to title this. I want to give a big thank you to Esmeralda because she did send me this experiment and asked me to try it out, so thank you to Esmeralda. I also saw this TikTok, I can't speak today. I also saw this experiment a lot on TikTok, and I know it was on David Dobrik's Instagram, so it seems to be cool. So yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so for this experiment, you're gonna need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk. I couldn't find regular milk, so I'm using evaporated milk. You're gonna need some like either chocolate milk, cocoa powder, a spoon, and a knife. So let's try it in the milk first. And what you're going to do is you're going to get a little bit of your cocoa powder on your spoon, just like that. And then you're going to dunk it in. And then it comes back up like that. And when you tap it, oh, it goes away. I'm going to film it from another angle so you guys can see it better. We did it with the milk and it worked. Let's try it with the water and see what happens. So same thing I did with the milk. I'm just going to grab a little bit and I'm going to put it in the water. And it comes back up completely dry. Let's try it again. Again, completely dry. So I'm going to film it from a closer angle so you guys can see it better. Okay, so we did our experiment, but now let's talk about what was going on in this experiment. So the most important thing you need to know is that cocoa powder is actually hydrophobic, and I really hope by now you know what hydrophobic means, but if you don't, I'm going to explain it to you. Hydrophobic just means that you don't like water, you want nothing to do with it, you want to stay as far away from it as possible. And that is what cocoa powder is. So when cocoa powder gets placed in milk, and milk, might I remind you, is made up of 87% of water, so obviously the cocoa powder doesn't like the milk. It wants to stay away from it. And the same thing happens when it gets put in the water. So that's why when you tap it, it all goes away, because it's hydrophobic. And that's literally it. That is the science behind it. It is so simple. And it was really cool to do. Again, I want to say a big thank you to Esmeralda. And if you guys have any science experiments you want to see me try, please let me know.